Hi Josue, I'm Janice from SEO Digital Kearney. I'm going to show you some free tips in this quick video on how to create a website which to bring in more business for you. So as I search that you do not have a website but you have a Facebook, but the potential client usually they won't look for your company name. And I would like to show you that for the keywords that being monthly search, every month these are the keywords that being searched per month, because you have to put in the right keywords in your website, which is the service and your location. Just like Rufus Fredericks VA, the volume is 250 per month searched by people that looking for the service to fix their roof. And like Roofing Fredericks VA is 200 per month, and there are total 2,500 per month searches. This is only per month, and we doesn't want to target 2,500 of the searches volume. If you have like 10% of it, like 250 per month, it's a very good business for you. And there's a lot tons of call coming in. And I would like to explain why you need a website, and if your company name and all the information is appear in this three part, which is in Google Guarantee here, can be fine. And then the Google Map pack here, and also in this organic listing here. If these three areas able to find your website, you will get tons of call coming in. And for the Google Guarantee, you have to pay for the ads money, but it based on their requirement. And as for this part, we call it Google Map Pack. How to be in this Google Map Pack? You have to register as many directories, like your company name, your address and phone number, to be registered in like Yellow Pages, Yelp.com. There are thousands of directories. The more you register in it, the higher chances that you will be in this top 3, because client will just click directly and call, which is easy and convenient and nearby to them. And as for the organic listing here, have to be in top 3 too. Of course, we do not include like ng.com or BBB. As you see, the top one is John's Mills Roofing. So I would like to show you that using this program named RF, this is a simple analytic to show on the website. Like for John's Mill Roofing website, the UR and DR is 17 and 1.3. UR is the power to your website, and DR is the trust in the Google eyes of your website. So the higher number will be ranking at the top of first page in Google, because you have the power in Google and also the trust in Google eyes for your website. So it have to be in between 30 to 40. And as for the backlinks, here is 62 and referring domains is 22. So backlinks are the links from another website which link to your website. But not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. You need to go after more relative backlinks which give you more authoritative, that will send power to your website. So if that means if the other website have high trust and high power in Google, and when you put in your website link, it will link to your website. And that's how it gives power to your website and authoritative. And as for the organic keywords, as I said that you have to target the right keywords. and you see that their website have 183 traffic per month. But all this number doesn't take one day to get it, and it takes you, as you see that takes a few years to get this number. But you have to use the right way to do it, and within like 6 months at least, and you can get the ranking up fast if you get the right backlinks. So these are few important things that you need to do on your new website to get more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. Thank you. Have a great day.